Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kumba jule manlausnem, ki Riewngeit jong kaniam Sikh, men hakatayo balala, kila Rakhe ya ke Sngikha jong nong yalam jong ki uguru Nanak, da kejing ya procession, bat kejing le aniam hadu lai sngi lenter. Ya kani kelengku snem ke bamenta kala kenjo syaka sanspa sap khandai snem. Lakhain bakadai ke wei na ki bahe do na pedang ki wei pat kejing Rakhe jong ki Riewngeit kaniam Sikh, hasat lak ke pertai. Laong ru bahakani kesngi ke bakot no jong kani kejing Rakhe, ladan hadu kumba san hajar ngon ki pajba ki balayawan sya gurdwara. Ban pelong ye kejingo jingdam kum kedak jong kejing buram bat ban lekmen ha kejing ye bam skobha ke baki pat Sikh ki jukhat ke langgar la ban pen kema hong ni bah ki gurdwara la ju a jing bam langgar man la kasngi ublai ha ka ba mano manoru kila ban rong ban mi ban bam klem kanu kanu kejing sio la ban kadawru ba kejing penya jong kani ke gurdwara hanong ba shilong ki pen pau ye kejing ket khiaru halor kejing tengka ye kamaryang bat ban ri ban sumar ye ka kumta ki le barba ban pendo pendamno ye kejing penunkam ye ki plastic.
So this is a 3-day affair which marks the beginning of the celebrations, and then one day before the Gurpurab, which is today, we have a Nagar Kirtan. This is a procession carrying the holy book, which is the Guru Granth Sahib. The devotees from the Bada Bazar Gurudwara take out a procession, elaborate procession, and come to this Gurudwara and offer their prayers and go back. So that is the entire program of the Guru Nanak birthday celebrations.